Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to talk about a Lora called Relight that can help you relight your existing images with Qwen Image Edit 2509. So, let's get started. The download link for the Lora is available in the description. Once you open the link, you will see a page like this. To make the Lora work properly, we need to use a trigger word that can be found on this page if we scroll down. So, use the trigger word at the start of the prompt, then write about the lighting condition you want in your image. In my experience, after a lot of experiments, I think it's better to use Chinese words for writing the lighting condition. To download the Lora, let's scroll up and click on Files and Versions. Here, we can find the Lora named as Qwen Edit Relight.Tensors. Use the Download button to get the Lora. Then put the Lora inside the Lora's folder of ComfyUI. Now, let's switch to ComfyUI. So, here is a workflow that is very similar to my previous workflows that you may have seen before. The main difference is I've added the Relight Lora between the Lightning Lora and the Model Sampling Auraflow node. I've also included a template for creating different kinds of prompts for using the Relight Lora. You can use this template with ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other LLM to create various prompts describing different lighting conditions. You can find the download link for this workflow in my description. In the positive prompt, you can see that I am using the trigger word as the starting point, followed by the words describing the lighting conditions. To write this kind of prompt, try my template. I've already loaded an image here. Now, let's try another prompt. I have some prompts in my notepad. Let's copy one of them. So, here is a prompt about candlelight. Let's copy that and paste it into the positive prompt. Now, let's run the workflow and wait for the result. The generation is finished. Let's take a look at the generated image. Here you can see how the candlelight is added to the image. If we compare it with the original, you can see how good the result is. I am truly amazed by the result. And look, the reflection of the candlelight showing in the glass, that is really good. Now, let's try another prompt. So, let's try this prompt about sunlight entering from the left side. Let's copy the prompt and paste it into the positive prompt, and then let's run the workflow and see the result. The generation is completed now. Let's take a look at the generated image. Like before, the generation is really good. If we compare the generated result with the original image, I am genuinely amazed by the result. Look at the reflection of the sunlight, the shadows, everything just looks good. Now, let's try another image with a different prompt. So, let's choose this image of a car. I have some good prompts for this image. Let's open my notepad. So, let's copy this prompt of a warm sunset and paste it inside the positive prompt field. Now, let's run the workflow and see the result. So, the generation is completed now. Let's take a look at the generated result. As you can see here, the result is pretty good. The only con I am seeing here is the text rendering, which is unreadable. Other than that, the result is amazing. So guys, like this, we can relight any images with the help of the Relight Lora. So try the Lora yourself and let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.